How to turn off Do Not Disturb on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on Discord. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now here, once you're inside the profile section, just sight to your profile icon, you will see one small circle. So there you can just tap on it. And now here, once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, if you scroll down there, you will see the option labeled as Do Not Disturb. So there, you can just tap on it. Now here, once you have selected that, then you will enable the do not disturb options. But here, to turn off do not disturb mode, then here what you can do is you can just select invisible, idle, or online. So here, by selecting those options, you will be able to turn off do not disturb mode. And that's it. That's how you can turn off do not disturb on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.